Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the file and a tight prompt so Chatgpt can act on real data. Open your XLSX, save a clean copy, and remove any private cells. Once done, upload that copy to the Chatgpt interface or activate the Excel-capable plugin. Make sure the model has file access. Then write a concise prompt that states the goal, shows 2-3 example rows, and specifies the output format, for instance CSV or a summarized table. This prevents ambiguity. You now instruct Chatgpt to perform transformations with explicit, stepwise commands. First, ask it to list headers and show a few sample rows so you confirm it read the file correctly. Once confirmed, request transformations one at a time. Add formulas, create a pivot, apply filters or split columns, and ask for the exact Excel formula or the edited file. Make sure to request a downloadable CSV or an updated XLSX. And if you prefer, ask for a reproducible macro or step-by-step undoable actions. You finish by validating and preparing to repeat the workflow reliably. Export results and spot-check totals, sample rows, and formats like dates or dollar values. Make sure column types match expectations. Once done, ask Chatgpt for undo steps, lightweight error checks, or an automated macro so you can rerun this process. If something goes wrong, give a minimal failing example, 2 or 3 rows, and request corrected steps or a revised formula. This focused feedback converges on a fix fast.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.